Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's not a tutorial, it's actually a news video. We have just released ArcoLinux B Leftwm. So at ArcoLinux we want you to be joining some kind of university, not an official one for sure, but we want you to grow into becoming more an expert in Linux. And by changing desktops you always gather more knowledge, and this guy is a tiling window manager. We've created already 3 themes for it and a few tutorials. We'll check it out later, and then we'll create more themes and more tutorials, so have a look. This is one of the looks. The standard default look is called Candy because of the icons that we're using there, and this one is called Smooth, I think. No, sorry, this one is called Eden, and the other one, the next one, is Smooth. So there are choices, right? Choices. And that's the fun. In ArcoLinux we have the ArcoLinux D, and in the D you go and visit all the desktops. Well, the standard desktop that everybody gives, but there is so much more beauty in the world, and Leftwm is this one. So 5 tutorials are already present there, but basically if it comes to tiling window managers, you need to read the code. There is no need for documentation, there is no need for anything, but helping you out with some tutorials and some videos is probably a good start, right? If it's the first time you ever ventured into the world of tiling window managers, then maybe you should watch some videos, right? Okay, so that's it for me. Launch of Leftwm. But there is something more. Where do I get it, right? Where do I get it? You go to the downloads, and what I've done is I've cleaned up a little bit Seedhost. So at this point in time, Leftwm is already on the Bs, so we can have a look. Right, click. Leftwm is ready to be downloaded from there. Remember, I'll include the tip. If you click on this thing, problems downloading, this will gradually be, well, copied over to all the other servers. So take the server that's close to you, because it takes for me 7 minutes, 6 minutes to download this, 5 minutes, it's going down. Anyway, so see that you got the server that works for you, where you live. Belnet needs to sync it in this afternoon, in 4 hours or so, I think. And then we have Seedhost, and Seedhost is where you can get it right now as well. So any of these links will always go back to Seedhost. And we've changed some things. So maybe if you remember, I've done a cleanup. Everything from 2019 and one of 2018 is gone, deleted. They are still on SourceForge, that's good, but this is paid. So we do a cleanup in our data center. And we've decided to put everything now inside folders. That's better because we have many servers and all these ISOs are copy pasted, are synced through these servers. So bandwidth to economize, that's the good accent, economize on our bandwidth. It's already there in one folder. So this is the release of September. They're all here, and here is 21.11.04, just Leftwm, and a checksum and a sign, and everything you need. Also the package list, right? People still ask to me, Eric, what's in that ISO? That's in that ISO. How many packages are there from ArcoLinux? That's it. All the rest is Arch. We can keep on scrolling, but it's all Arch. And you can do the math, how many packages are coming from Arch and how many packages come from ArcoLinux. It's gonna be 95% is coming from Arch, and all the rest is just us here. All right, enjoy Leftwm. It really struck a chord. Is that the word, the expression? A Cupid's arrow, or whatever you want to call it. I do like it, and it ignited my passion for Linux again. The feeling, the creation of the themes, the thinking, what's behind it. Give it a go. Enjoy.